we are going to make a stool using sheet metal and extrude boss base. So let's start. First of all, change unit from millimeters to IPS system. Now I'm going to select the top plane, sketch. Select the center rectangle. From the origin, make a center rectangle that is going to be of 15 inches. Okay, 12 inches, that's 1 feet, by 18 inches, 1.5 feet. Okay, let's make it of 18, and this one is of 12. So it's a rectangle. Now features, sheet metal. We are going to convert it into sheet metal base flange, and the thickness is going to be, you can change by 3 mm and enter. Okay, that's equivalent to 0.118 inches. Okay, press enter. Now it's converted into sheet metal. Control 7 for isometric view. Now I want to make the edges here, so use edge flange. Select one of the edge and downward. Here also the third one, and this is the fourth one, and its height is going to be only 1.5 inches, and that's all for it. Okay, all are done, but now you can see there's the gap, so we want to build it. So we have the option from sheet metal tab, and the corner here is welded corners, so we are going to use it. Select one of the face only and it will show you. If you want to add the texture, so you can take it, or if you don't want to show, you can see there is a difference between the sheet metal and the welded part. So that's all. Now we are going to select this face. This one is going to be welded. Okay, now control 7 and rotate it. Here. Okay, and the last one, we have the last corner here, and it's going to be built. Okay, now all the four corners are done. So control 7 for isometric view. This is the top side of our stool. Now we have to make the legs. For this, I'm going to rotate it from the bottom side, sketch, and now center rectangle. From the origin, make a rectangle that is going to be smart dimension from here to here. Distance is 1.1 inches, and from here to, okay, wait a minute, I have made the wrong click. From here to here is 1.1 inches, because we are going to make the legs of 2 inches. And one more thing, that select the whole square or rectangle and make a relation for construction. Now it's simple. Select the center rectangle. From these edges, make 4 rectangles. Just randomly make 4 rectangles. Okay, all are done. Now escape. Select all the bottom lines, 1, 2, 3 and the 4, and make a relation equal. Now next is the vertical lines, 1, 2, 3 and the 4, and make a relation equal. So that's now easy for us. This is going to be only 2 inches, and this is going to be 2 inches. Okay, now all the 4 are done. Control 7 for isometric view. Now we are going to extrude it. Features, extrude boss base, and okay, this is I am going to make it of 18 inches height. Control 7, 18 inches height. And one more thing, if I let me show you. If I just click OK, now you can see this is the solid legs, but if I made the legs of solid iron bars or any metal bars, it will become more heavier. So I want to make it of pipes, so I can convert it into pipes like uh, first delete this. Okay, let it delete sketch, added a sketch, and now we are going to features, extrude boss base, control 7 for isometric view. Thin features, you have the option thin features, and this is also going to be 3 mm thickness, that is equivalent to 0.118. And okay, now our stool is complete, but let me show you. This is like this is the pipes that we have used to make the stool. Now if you have a chance to see the stool, you can find a support pipe that is going to be from here to this leg, from here to this leg, that supports the whole legs to stand properly. So we are going to make that pipes. Select one face, sketch. This time we are going to use the corner rectangles. From any corner, make a rectangle here and here. Okay, now one more thing, that select this one and this one, and it's going to be collinear. Smart dimension from here to bottom. Okay, wait a minute, what's going on today? Delete this smart dimension from bottom to our pipe. Distance should be 2.5 inches. This pipe is going to be same 1.5 inches width, and similarly this one is also going to be 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches or 1.5 inches. Okay, let me, that's 2.5 inches. It's also going to be 2.5 inches. Now control 7 for isometric view. Features, extrude boss base, and up to the next thin features. Similarly 0.118, that is going to be the thickness. And okay, one more thing, thickness, you have to again click on this double arrow, and okay, we have done this one. One more thing, let me check. These pipes are of 2 inches, and I have made them as 2.5 inches. That's why it's look little bit more wider. So thin features, added sketch, and it's going to be 2 inches, and this is also going to be 2 inches. And now that's done. Control 7 for isometric view. Now we have to make from here to here. So select the space, sketch. Again, corner rectangle from here, make a rectangle here from here to here. Okay, this time I'm going to select this one, this line, and this line. All are going to be collinear. Okay, features, extrude boss base, all are going to be same thin features, and up to the next this arrow, and okay. And now our stool is ready. Control 7. Okay, it's already done. Control 7. um Hope you will like how we are making it. Now you can change its appearance. Okay, one more thing, first change it's of metal, and in metal, let me select first mm, the sheet metal, that is base flange and edge flange, and it's going to be made of um, let's make it of polished steel or chrome chromium plate. Okay, and the legs, that mean these all, not the wheels, these extrude things, these are going to be made of steel and stainless steel. Now we are going to select these two again, and appearance, it's going to be off. Okay, and the legs are going to be off. Okay, legs are okay, but I want to change its color. And now it's done. So here we have done with this tool. Hope you will like the steps that we will follow to make this tool. The only thing I want is from you is to subscribe the channel station and don't forget to share with your